All right, YouTube, we are back. We're back out here in the barn. It is Monday. Monday, say the 4th? I don't know, but it's Monday. It's Monday, and we're back out here, and the parts showed up, our little parts. We got my cam chain tensioner, new spark plug, hand grips, and some seals, whatever you want to call them. But over here to the bike, now the seals are showed up and everything, get the light off. The main thing I wanted to do was check the teeth on that spline, and they're looking good to me. So we got lucky. We got lucky there, and yeah, we're gonna button her up here. Also, extremely excited. Just got signed up for the Day in the Dirt down south, down in Florida. So one, I'm going to Supercross in Daytona. We're leaving Wednesday. And 2, we're racing Day in the Dirt with the team stripping in. So if anybody's gonna be down there, we're gonna be down there hanging out. So stop by, say hi to the team and or whomever. But yeah, we're gonna be down there in Florida. But right now, I'm gonna dig into this and get into this, get it back together, and kind of hopefully give you guys a first startup at the end of this. But we shall see. We're gonna dig in. So here goes nothing. All right, YouTube, we're looking good. We're looking really good. Cam chains back in, we're all lined up. We gave her a few rotations. We actually got some good tension on there now. So I am going to finish putting the bike back together, and see, depending on what time it is, if we're gonna fire up or not. But we're looking good. We're looking really, really good. So let's not get too excited, but looking good. So let's keep this ball rolling. All right, well, as you guys can see, the bike now is pretty far together, and it's together enough that I'm ready to give it a fire up for the first go around, and we're gonna see if I forgot to tighten anything or not. So let's make sure she's in neutral, I guess. It looks like neutral to me. So, neutral, first fire up. Let's see. Little backfire there, huh? Get the fuel going. Oh. Maybe a little pepper. Oh, look at that. She's a purr. Let the oil get to the top of the head there. But I like this. I like this very much. Very much. So, I'm gonna let her sit here and idle for a minute. Let everything start flowing, and, yeah, figure it out from there. See what else I gotta do. So, stop and go, dude. All right, guys, so literally, as soon as I cut that video off and wanted to look over the bike, as you can see, sick oil all over the ground. All over the motor, the backside of the motor. Which was really confusing to me because other than having the top of the cylinder off, I didn't mess with anything back there. So I thought something really went wrong that I wasn't aware of. Turns out, somehow, some way, let's see if I can get this light set up here. And a little screwdriver for you guys to make it a little easier to point out. Somehow, some way, the gasket right here blew out. All the oil, all my oil pressure, everything's just poof, it's just coming right out there. So, yeah, I didn't use the old gasket. The old gasket's right here. But, yep, I guess it's not another weekend of ride in the 450. We're going to have to order another set of gaskets. But I don't know. It just sucks. So we're going to order another set of gaskets, and that's just, you know, hopefully take it apart, put it back together again. That's it. So that's it for tonight, Thursday night. Sick. Yep. All right. Till next time. Hey! And you can hear that thing, right? Look at her. I gotta put the chain back on, that's it. But gasket's in, she's fired up, it's running. We're not leaking oil, we're not leaking antifreeze, we're just humming. We're just humming. So yeah, we're gonna get a ride tomorrow. We're gonna get a ride tomorrow on the old the 450. Not another weekend at Pit Bikes, but as much as I love my Pit Bikes, but go back on the 450. Let's go. Friday night. Let's go. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock. But we're going ride tomorrow. Woo! Go, Daddy, go. Go, go, Daddy, go. Oh. Alright, so it's Saturday morning, and everybody's kind of overslept and everything, but we were going to ride big bikes, but here we are on the 100. So I'm running behind, I'm trying to play catch up here. I'm going to see if I can ride the street all the way there and not get in trouble. So here we go. I took the street the whole way here. Back her up, girl. There you go. Hey, look at this. Sick. crowd, boys and girls. Girl, as a whole. She's gonna hate me. Slowed me down. Come on, Bob. 3 wrench. I'm definitely just right on the rear spring of this thing. It's a straight pogo stick and oh, look at this thing. Oh. What up?
Nice of you to show up.
Okay, that's a tree. wasn't expecting that.
My bad.
You're good.
Being in the back.
Was actually really cool. Look at me, haha. Drifter. Not supposed to be able to do that.